Welcome to Best 5 Picks. The best grill covers is probably one of the most essential accessories for any grill master, protecting your valuable investment from the harsh elements and extending its lifespan significantly, ensuring that your grill remains in pristine condition and ready for your next barbecue session, no matter the weather. A high-quality cover acts as a shield against rain, snow, sun, and dust, preventing rust, fading, and other forms of damage that can compromise your grill's performance and appearance over time. Investing in a durable and well-fitting grill cover is a simple yet effective way to maintain your grill's functionality and aesthetic appeal, saving you money on repairs and replacements in the long run. Number 5. Keter Westwood 150-gallon deck box. Introducing a large outdoor storage box that offers ample, lockable space for your cushions, pool floats, and more. It's also designed to comfortably seat 2 adults. This multi-purpose deck box boasts a generous 150-gallon capacity, perfect for storing all your essentials. It also provides extra seating for gatherings or a place to relax. Crafted from strong, durable resin with a realistic wood plank look, this storage box is both attractive and rugged. It features an easy lift mechanism for effortless opening and quiet closing. Made with all weather-resistant materials, this patio storage solution is built to last. Its thick exterior resin prevents rusting, peeling, and denting, ensuring years of enjoyment with minimal upkeep. At Keter, we are driven by innovation to create lifestyle solutions for your home. We use sustainable technologies to design products that enhance your living spaces and elevate your experiences. What we like. This large deck box offers substantial storage for all your outdoor essentials. It conveniently doubles as seating for 2 adults. If you're looking for a versatile piece that can store cushions and provide extra seating, this is the one for you. What people say. This storage box is quite nice. It holds 6 collapsible lawn chairs and tow large cushions from our patio furniture. The box was easy to set up and remarkably sturdy. This is fantastic. Holds all my summer outdoor tools, large table umbrella, cushions for 4 chairs and 2 larger cushions for lounge chairs, a 50-foot hose, garden decorations, and still has room for more. Quality is good, heavyweight and solid and easy for 2 people to put together. This storage box is very sturdy, well designed, and I expect to get many years of use out of it. Number 4. Keter Unity Small 40-gallon Grill Prep Table. Experience the ultimate outdoor cooking convenience. Its durable stainless steel top is perfect for preparing and serving all your barbecue favorites with ease. Keep all your grilling essentials organized and protected. With 40 gallons of total space, including 28 gallons of enclosed storage, everything has its place. Never search for your tools again. Side bars, S-hooks, a spice rack, and a bottle opener keep everything you need readily accessible. Crafted from weather-resistant resin with a beautiful wood-like texture, it's designed to withstand the elements without rusting, peeling, or denting. Easily move it to where the action is with its built-in wheels, or keep it stable on any surface with adjustable legs. It's perfect for your patio, deck, or backyard. What we like. This grill prep table is a dream for any grill master, featuring a durable stainless steel top for easy food preparation. It comes with handy side bars, S-hooks, a spice rack, and a bottle opener to keep your grilling tools organized. If you are a serious griller who values convenience and organization right at your side, this portable station is ideal. What people say. It is incredibly sturdy, featuring a solid stainless steel top that adds a touch of elegance to our outdoor space. The ample storage underneath is perfect for keeping all our grilling essentials organized. The doors open and close smoothly, adding to the overall convenience. The cabinet is sturdy and well made and it looks good out on my balcony. The instructions were clear and straightforward, although only pictures, no written instructions, but the assembly is so simple you really only need pictures. It's almost perfect for it. It sits on top and the plastic construction is well protected by the metal tabletop. There is a significant gap between the top and the shelf. I've had it on high for 30 minutes and there's no sign of heat issues on the plastic. The top allows plenty of prep space and the open shelf right below the top is also a great space for cooking needs. And I love the spice shelf at the end. Number 3. Keter Unity XL Outdoor Table. Introducing the Keter Unity XL, a versatile outdoor table designed for your convenience. It offers ample storage and a durable stainless steel top. With a total of 78 gallons of storage, it easily holds all your grilling essentials. Keep everything organized and within reach. Crafted from weather-resistant resin with a wood-like texture, this table is built to last. It won't rust, peel, or dent like traditional materials. The robust stainless steel surface is perfect for food preparation and serving. It's also incredibly easy to clean after use. It comes with handy accessories like side bars, hook hangers, a spice rack, and a bottle opener. Everything you need for your outdoor gatherings. Equipped with 2 wheels, it's easy to move wherever you need it. Use it as a bar cart, prep table, or serving station. What we like. This extra-large outdoor table provides extensive storage and a spacious stainless steel surface for all your kitchen prep needs. It includes side bars, hooks, a spice rack, and a bottle opener for ultimate convenience. If you need a robust, multifunctional station for large gatherings or extensive outdoor cooking, this is your best bet. What people say. It is incredibly sturdy, featuring a solid stainless steel top that adds a touch of elegance to our outdoor space. The ample storage underneath is perfect for keeping all our grilling essentials organized. Assembly was very easy and the instructions were clear. It took about 20 minutes to assemble. Number 2. Keter Unity 40 gallons grill prep table and serving cart. Introducing the ultimate outdoor prep station. It's designed for versatility, serving as a barbecue grill, outdoor bar, serving cart, or prep table, with rolling wheels and adjustable legs for convenience. Keep your essentials organized with its spacious 40-gallon interior. It's perfect for storing napkins, plates, drinks, and anything else you need for your gathering. Everything you need is within reach. It features sidebars for paper towels, hook holders, S-hooks, a spice rack, and a bottle opener, making grilling and entertaining a breeze. Crafted from weather-resistant resin with a wood-like texture, this cart is built to last. It won't rust, peel, or dent, ensuring long-lasting use outdoors. For over 75 years, Keter has been creating innovative products inspired by how you live. We design lifestyle solutions to make your day-to-day life better. What we like. This portable grill prep table offers a convenient stainless steel top and ample storage for your grilling accessories. Its wheeled design and adjustable legs make it easy to move and position. If you need a mobile and functional serving or prep station for your patio or backyard, this cart is a great choice. What people say. It is incredibly sturdy, featuring a solid stainless steel top that adds a touch of elegance to our outdoor space. The ample storage underneath is perfect for keeping all our grilling essentials organized. The doors open and close smoothly, adding to the overall convenience. The cabinet is sturdy and well made and it looks good out on my balcony. It's sturdy, easy to move, and stores all my barbecue essentials, including pellets. A great combo of workspace and storage. Number 1. Suncast 22-gallon Java Resin Outdoor Deck Box. Organize all your outdoor essentials with ease. This compact yet heavy-duty storage solution is perfect for decks, patios, and poolside. Built with durable, UV-protected resin, it's weatherproof to keep your belongings dry in any season. It's a smart organizer for all your outdoor gear. This versatile piece doubles as a convenient storage table or extra seating. It's perfect for patios, balconies, or poolside relaxation. No tools or hassle required. It snaps together quickly with interlocking panels, making setup a breeze for anyone. Featuring a stylish wicker texture and a neutral Java finish, it complements any patio decor seamlessly. It's a functional and attractive addition to your outdoor space. What we like. This compact deck box offers a smart storage solution for smaller spaces, with easy, tool-free assembly. Its attractive wicker-style finish blends seamlessly with most patio decor. If you're looking for a simple, stylish, and quick-to-assemble storage option for cushions or garden tools, this is a perfect fit. What people say. Everything inside stays dry, even during a hurricane. It has been on my deck for 3 years of scorching hot summers, raging thunderstorm springs and autumns, and ice storm winters. It has always been completely dry inside. It has maintained good color and is as sturdy as the day it arrived. It was easy to assemble and looks great too. Very sturdy as you can also use it to sit on. During a heavy rainfall, it stayed dry inside. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.